presenting a pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed shiftable transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 97,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic, climate control, and trailer hitch.